In the first months of 2026, the new generation of serial production all-wheel drive BAZ vehicles began arriving at dealer centers throughout Russia. This achievement represents the culmination of years of engineering advancement and significant investment in domestic automotive manufacturing. Finished vehicles and spare parts are now being stocked in warehouses across the country. A network of more than 60 sales and service centers has been established to support customers on a national scale. JSC Romanov has initiated full-scale production and entered multiple models into the official register of Russian industrial products maintained by the Ministry of Industry and Trade. These include the BAZ S32A00 and S34A00 chassis for specialized equipment, as well as models built on their platforms, such as the BAZ S34A10 tractor unit, the BAZ S32A30 flatbed truck, and the BAZ S32A50 all-wheel drive dump truck. Altitude Addicts notes that this rollout marks more than a commercial launch. It represents a structural shift toward fully domestic heavy vehicle engineering in the post-2022 industrial landscape. BAZ is not a mechanical assembly of imported components or a rebadged foreign design. It is a wholly domestic Russian project, dedicated to high-mobility chassis and heavy-duty all-wheel drive trucks designed specifically for harsh operating environments. These vehicles are engineered for regions with undeveloped road infrastructure, extreme climates, remote industrial sites, mining zones, forestry operations, and large-scale construction areas. Durability and cross-country mobility were prioritized from the earliest design stages. The project was initiated by Almaz-Antey and developed at the Obukhov plant in Saint Petersburg. Engineers designed the chassis architecture from the ground up with Russian operating conditions in mind, focusing on high localization and reduced dependence on foreign suppliers. Altitude Addicts highlights that industrial independence was built directly into the engineering philosophy. Component sourcing and systems integration were structured to maintain supply chain resilience under external pressure. Serial production officially commenced on December 26, 2025, at the Romanov facility in the Shushari industrial zone of Saint Petersburg. The production complex spans approximately 21,000 square meters, which equals roughly 226,000 square feet of manufacturing space. The site previously hosted large-scale truck assembly operations prior to 2022. Its transformation reflects a broader shift from foreign-dependent assembly to domestically engineered vehicle manufacturing. The BAZ lineup is structured around two primary chassis platforms, the BAZ S32A00 and the BAZ S34A00. These modular foundations support multiple specialized configurations tailored for industrial applications. The BAZ S34A10 tractor unit is engineered for long-distance hauling across mixed terrain and off-road conditions. It is designed to support infrastructure projects, energy sector logistics, and remote industrial transport. The BAZ S32A30 flatbed truck offers flexibility for cargo transport and equipment mounting. Its off-road capability enables operations in areas inaccessible to conventional highway trucks. One of the most notable models now reaching dealers is the BAZ S32A50, a 3-axle 6x6 all-wheel drive dump truck. It features a gross vehicle weight of up to 36 metric tons, which equals approximately 79,000 pounds. Each axle is equipped with independent spring suspension, a relatively uncommon feature in heavy trucks of this class. This improves stability, ride quality, and ground contact over uneven terrain. The S32A50 includes interaxle and cross-axle differential locks for enhanced traction in snow, mud, and loose ground. Driver comfort features include air conditioning, air suspension seats, an auxiliary cabin heater for sub-zero climates, a tachograph, and the ERA-GLONASS emergency response system. Altitude Addicts emphasizes that combining off-road durability with driver-focused systems reflects modern heavy vehicle design philosophy. Industrial operators increasingly demand both rugged performance and crew comfort in extreme environments. Deliveries have expanded across Saint Petersburg, Siberia, and the Russian Far East. These regions particularly value high-mobility trucks capable of operating far from paved road networks. More than 60 sales and service centers now support the national rollout. Reliable after-sales infrastructure is critical for fleets operating thousands of kilometers from major urban repair hubs. Government industrial support programs further enhance competitiveness for domestic heavy vehicle procurement. Subsidies and policy backing strengthen the economic case for fleet operators transitioning to BAZ platforms. The Romanov name honors engineer Ippolit Romanov, a pioneer in early electric transportation at the turn of the 20th century. This historical connection symbolically links modern heavy vehicle engineering with earlier Russian innovation traditions. Altitude Addicts concludes that the serial arrival of BA's trucks in 2026 represents more than a product launch. It signals the establishment of a domestically engineered heavy transport platform built for extreme climates, undeveloped infrastructure, and long-term industrial independence. As production volumes increase and regional deliveries expand, operational performance and service reliability will determine long-term market impact. For now, the transition from declaration to full-scale manufacturing stands as a tangible demonstration of domestic heavy vehicle capability in the modern Russian industrial sector.
Good afternoon. Lebedev Dmitry Olegovich, Deputy General Director, Chief Designer of EGO Romanov. We are in Saint Petersburg at our production site, and now we are starting strong production of off-road trucks under the BAZ brand. The truck is developed and manufactured in Russia and is designed specifically for heavy operating conditions. The main competitive advantage of this machine is the independent spring suspension on each axle. Each 8 has a load capacity of 12 tons. Due to this, very good performance in cross-country and smoothness of the year is achieved, which is important for many regions of operation of this equipment. Here we can see our pendant clearly. It is more like a passenger car. The upper and lower lever spring inside it is a shock absorber. All our machines are equipped with a full set of interlocks. These are intercostal interseats. Central tire jumping systems. Due to the test, good cross-country performance is achieved. It is worth noting that all the main components of our machines of domestic or Belarusian production, engine and gearbox, are supplied to us by the driver. This is the Yaroslavl engine plant. The transfer box behind the Naberezhny Chelny MT-Com frame is supplied, assembled from an enterprise from Belarus, where Lanzerons are made and it is produced. The body assembly is supplied to us by the Bichema company. This is the city of Krasnogorsk, Moscow region. And all call sign electronics blocks and all electronics are the Utelma Moscow company. Let me tell you a little about the cabin of our truck. This is where we can say our pride developed. We completely ourselves from scratch. The frame is based on panel technology that is here inside the metal frame. On the outside is fiberglass inside, and B is plastic. All passive safety tests, and trucks passed them too. We passed from one time thanks to a very good team. Calculation is now based on the functions of the cabin. It has been equipped with modern functions such as rain and light sensors and cruise control. The right dashboard is multimedia, of course. Here the board of all interlocks, air conditioning, climate control, manual transmission. They also took care of In regions with cold conditions, we have a pre-start engine heater as standard. Here under our village, the driver is installed with a dry cam in the cab, and plus it works like a thermos, that is, the cab is quite warm. One of the machines is often operated in Hamburg. The temperature has already reached -40. The drivers have no complaints. Also, as a basic configuration, we all have tire inflation. You can choose to inflate either sand or loudly according to what you need. Singing in tires has a tachograph. Naturally, this is the ERA-GLONASS system. Heated seats. Both our seats are pneumatic. That is, they did not start saving on passengers. They also made him a comfortable seat. Electric windows. And additionally, I want to note this is one type of cabin that we sit in. We have certified 5 different types of cabs, from a short, low undercountry superstructure to a high-long cab with 2 bedrooms, seats which is mainly applied on tractor seats where the long shoulders of the carriage and both drivers could rest, for example. We have certified more than 50 modifications of both cars and chassis, respectively. 5 variants of carrier, 6 standard variants of wheelbase, 3 types of treads, respectively. Each consumer can choose a part exactly for their needs.
Applications range from timber mixers and crane chassis to other specialized utility vehicles.
If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.